In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your forgotten Steam password on Steam. What you want to do is simply search for Steam and head over to the website. In here, press on Login, and it will take you to this page. Then what you want to do is press Help, I can't sign in, and it will give you some options. Just select I forgot my Steam account name or password, and from in here, you'll type the email or phone number from your account. So simply type the email, and what it's going to happen is it's going to send you a verification code to your email, and you're simply going to click on the email, and then you'll type in the code, and you will then be able to type in a new password. Now if you use your phone number instead, it's going to send it to your phone and just type that code in, and then it's going to give you access to the account again. So that's basically how it works, guys. If you don't know your email or your phone number, what you can do is you can contact the Steam support. So just search for Steam support contact on Google and fill in the form. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.